to another Wise Maths and Science video. It says complete the table of values for y equals x squared minus x. Now you have these values of x, which is minus 2, minus 1, 0, 1, 2 and 3. Let's see if we can substitute this value in, minus 1 in there. Minus 1 squared, let's write it down, minus 1 squared, and then take away minus 1. Well, we know minus 1 squared is 1, and minus and a minus is equal to a plus. So therefore you get 1 plus 1, so therefore you end up getting 2 over here. Right, let's move over here. 1 squared is 1, and then take away the 1, that should give you 0. And then over here you've got 3 squared, you have 3 squared minus 3, which will give you 9, 9 take away 3, which gives you 6. Now let's see if we can plot this in. You have got minus 2 and 6 on the grid. Draw the graph of y equals x squared minus x for the values of x from minus 2 all the way up to 3. So minus 2 gave us 6. Let's write that down. Let's put a little plot over there. Minus 1 gave us 2. Let's put another plot over there. 0 gave us 0. 1 gave us 0. 2 gave us 2. And then finally you have 3 and 6. Now this has to be drawn with a nice smooth curve over here. So let's see, let's try the best we can. We need to make it smooth curve, so we've got to make sure it's accurate as possible. Let's draw it as accurate as possible. Start from here, going down. Oopsie daisy, let's try that one more time. Let's go back through here. Let's loop it a little bit over here. And we'll carry on from here. And all the way up here. The next part of the question is asking, use your graph to estimate the solutions for the equation x squared minus x, which is exactly that, is equal to 4. Now what I'm going to do, I'm going to go back over here. I recognize that's no different from writing this down over here, which is equal to 4. So let me highlight this. If we go back over here, use the highlighting tool. So look, you've got equals 4 over there, and you get y. Y is equal to 4. So I'm actually going to draw that line now. So I'm going to go back over here, draw this line over here. This is the line y equals 4 over here. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to draw this line along here. Let's keep it accurate. Let's choose this. Y is equal to 4. And what we'll do, we're going to read of the x coordinates appropriately over here. So over here, you have got some values, x. Let's go down over here. That should give you approximately minus 1.5. And then this one is approximately 2.5. So let me write down the values. X is equal to, let's write it down, the two values over here. You've got approximately x is equal to minus 1.5, and x is equal to 2.5. Thank you so much for watching this video. Thank you. Please do like, share and subscribe. It obviously gives me more encouragement to make more videos. Thank you and goodbye.